The Audi TT key fob handles remote locking, unlocking, and starting. It often needs battery replacement. First, identify your battery type. MK1 models use CR2450, while MK2 and MEG3 use CR2032. Check your manual for confirmation. To open, insert a small flat tool like a screwdriver into the side seam. Gently twist to pry it open without damaging the plastic. Some models have a release button under the keyblade. If stuck, a hairdryer can soften adhesive. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old battery, noting its polarity. Insert the new battery, ensuring correct orientation. Snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm functionality. If the remote still doesn't work, check for any internal damage like corrosion, especially in humid climates. Try resetting the fob by removing the battery for 5 to 10 minutes. If problems persist, the issue may be a faulty internal chip requiring professional assistance. Battery replacements are a common fix with a high DIY success rate. However, environmental factors can impact lifespan.